My name is Dr. Godwin More, God is meant for shorts. We are here in this corner to discuss about health tips, common things that is very common and make common sense and common knowledge. That's what we want to throw lights on. Alright, you are welcome to this YouTube channel. If you are joining us for the first time, please subscribe so that we may have the algorithm for others to join and to enjoy what we enjoy. Alright, for today we are going to look at some myths, what I may say medical myth. You know that common medical beliefs espoused by the general public based on statements we have endorsed on multiple occasions, and we thought were actually true or might be true without checking it out, and they are myths. So having wrong information can be very harmful, very harmful. It can make you practice very dangerous habits that you think they are okay. Also, it can make you reject scientifically proven truths just because they sound strange or different from what you have heard everyone around you say. You know, we have in this information age, and it is important to know that what is true and what is not true. It's important for you to know. So in the media, there are lots of fake news. Also in the medical news, in some practices, there are some practices that are not true. That's what we are going to look at. Okay, we are going to look at 20 medical myths. 20 medical myths. Let's start. Myth number 1. Can asthma be transmitted through kissing? Well, before we answer that question, or can a husband have asthma from the wife? Or can a partner contract asthma from another partner? Before we start that, let's just give an overview in what is asthma. Asthma is actually a chronic inflammatory condition that affects your ability to breathe. Of course, asthma is often triggered by a mix of environmental and hereditary factors. Symptoms of asthma actually arise when the airways to your lungs begin to swell and constrict. And of course, these symptoms varies from being mild, severe, and life-threatening. Alright, so having said that, we know the early symptoms of asthma like coughing, wheezing, and what have you. Can I contract asthma through kissing? Or can I contract asthma from someone or my partner that is asthmatic? It's actually a myth. They are worried. Oh, I have a friend, I have a roommate that is asthmatic, and we are sharing food together. Doctor, I hope I will not be asthmatic. We have been living together for a year now, for 6 months, for 2 years. And sometimes I'm feeling that the way I'm breathing is not good. It may be from my roommates. It's a myth. Maybe you have been hearing it from someone. But let's pause and see what is actually this asthma. Symptoms, of course, arise when the airways to your lungs begin to swell and constrict. Constriction of that airway makes someone to breathe against difficulty. And that is what you see, like the sufferer will be gasping for air. And of course, it's important to know that asthma symptoms can range from non-existing to severe in some persons. And of course, asthma is non-communicable disease, and it is not transmitted from one person to another. That's the truth. It is a chronic non-communicable disease. However, respiratory viral infections such as influenza, such as common cold, may cause complications for an asthmatic patient and should be avoided. But asthma as an entity can never be transferred to another person. Alright, severe asthma can have a negative impact on personal relationships. That's one is true. Individuals with severe asthma often express feelings of guilt, being burdensome to their loved ones, Intimate and sexual relationship may suffer under the stress of living with severe asthma, but it can never be contagious. Detail on first aid for convulsions coming soon. But for now, we will continue looking at the myths in our next episode. See you next time. It's still your doctor friend, Godisman MD.